What's up guys? Welcome back. In this video you will discover how to change or reset your Gmail account password by your Android device. You can change your password for security reasons or reset it if you forget it. Your account password is used to access many Google products like Gmail and YouTube. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It will be very inspiring for me. Let's get started. To change your Gmail account password on your Android phone or tablet, open your device's setting app. From the setting app menu, tap Google. Then tap Manage your Google account. From the top bar menu, find Security. Tap Security. Under Signing into Google, tap Password. You might need to sign in. To continue, first verify it's you. Enter your current password here. After entering your current password, tap Next. Save password to Google. Save. Your password changing option is here. Choose a strong password and don't reuse it for other accounts. Changing your password will sign you out of all your devices, including your phone. You will need to enter your new password on all your devices. Type your new password here. Password strength. Use at least 8 characters. Don't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name. Confirm new password, which you have entered in the new password box. Type the same password here. After entering the same password twice, tap Change Password and follow the instructions. After this, you can successfully change your Gmail account password. That's all for today. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you could get my upcoming videos. Take care, have a nice journey with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.